Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the LaRoc Pro Artistry book palette. But before we get started, I want to make a quick breakfast. Now that I'm ready, let us start with the color olive. I'm using the E33 brush to blend this color into my crease. Next, I'm going in with the color potion on the same brush, just to darken up the crease. Now I'm using avocado on a E35 to blend out the edges. I want a golden shimmer shade, so I'm picking up Kiwi on a E55. And I'm applying it all over my lid. For my inner corner, I'm taking the color Casino on my E25. Also with the same brush, I'm dipping into olive and potion. This will go on my lower lash line. Now I will apply a gel mascara. There you have it, a beautiful soft green look. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!